Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught, and I'd like to take you on a tour of our 2013 Audi Q5 Premium All-Wheel Drive. Now, this is a great SUV here, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine, and that's going to be paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission, so great highway fuel economy, and trust me, this thing's pretty quick from 0 to 60. Now, you've got the newer all-season tires here, plenty of tread left. You've got the 18-inch aluminum wheels, really nice wheels here on this Audi Q5. As we make our way around the front end, once again, you've got the LED running lights on the front. You've got the fog lamps as well, and the Quattro badge right there. That means you got one of the best all-wheel drive systems in this vehicle. Now, taking a look around the other side, you've got the LED turn signal indicators on the mirror caps, as well as the proximity sensors on the door handles, which are going to lock and unlock the vehicle as long as you have the key in your pocket. On the back end, you've got a pretty sporty rear end design, dual exhaust system, rear parking sensors. On the back end here, you do have the power liftgate feature. Really nice here if you've got some bags in your hand, and plenty of cargo volume in the back. Now, if you lift up this tab, you are going to have your spare tire as well as some space down below. You could drop these seats down nice and flat to allow for some extra long cargo space. And of course, you've got the cargo cover, which is removable, but that's just basically going to keep your stuff hidden in the trunk. Now, last feature I want to point out in this Audi is the aftermarket remote start system, which was installed by the previous owner. So you've got that set on as well as your main set of keys here. That's going to work great in the winter time. Now, taking a look inside the Audi, really luxurious interior. You've got the nice leather seats, which are heated, fully power adjustable controls with your lumbar support. Now, just behind the steering wheel itself, you are going to find your light and brightness controls. And on the driver's door panel, you've got your memory seat settings, your power adjustable mirrors, one touch down and up windows, as well as your tailgate button down below. Now, inside the Audi Q5, you've got just over 109,000 kilometers as of this recording, so of course this is going to be certified pre-owned. Now, on the steering wheel itself, you are going to find your radio control buttons on the left-hand side, as well as your hands-free call button and volume controls on the right-hand side. You've also got your cruise controls just down below on its own separate stack. Now, some of the features you get here on this infotainment system, which can be controlled using the buttons down below, includes your full navigation system. You've also got Sirius XM, which comes standard for the first 3 months, and you've got other media options such as USB, Bluetooth, and you've also got a CD player down below here. Now, just below the CD player, you're going to find your traction control and hill descent assist. You've got the dual zone climate controls here with front heated seats. Now, if you push that fan button, you are able to control the fan using the same dial as your actual temperature control. So I think that's a pretty neat option, really unique to the Audi lineup. Now, just next to your gear selector, you've got the electronic parking brake. Putting the vehicle into reverse is going to activate your backup parking sensors, as well as you do have a manual shifting mode. Now, once again, all of your radio controls and infotainment system buttons are going to be located down below. You've got the armrest, which slides back, as well as a DC 12-volt outlet on the inside if you need to plug in your phone. Now, up here on the rear view mirror, you do have your compass, as well as your power sliding panoramic sunroof here. Take a look at this sunroof, absolutely massive. On the back seat, you've got plenty of room here for the rear passengers. You've got the magazine holders on the back, as well as some outlets down below if you want to plug in your phone, the rear climate vents, and these seats do fold down nice and flat if you're looking for some extra cargo space while you're in the back. So overall, if you're looking for a luxurious all-wheel drive SUV, the Audi Q5 is a great choice here. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so I invite you over to McNaught, and our sales professionals would be glad to help you out.